Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I'm trying here to cover the basics of the Java programming. So first of all, I'm going to open the JCreator. Of course, you can select several programs to develop Java there. You will see this is start page. You don't need to keep, just close this one. Then go to File, New file. You don't need to create a new project because just one file enough now. Then you need to select Java class and go to main class. Then next, select from your computer the location where you want to save the program. Just select any folder you want to save it there. Then click OK and give it a name like output program. Then finish. You will see here few lines or statements written to you. Everything in green with the slash, starting with slash star, is comment. So some of the comments you don't need them, let us delete them. Even this constructor, see, which is the same name as the class called output program, it's called constructor. You can delete it, you don't need it. So we end up with this structure. You can write it yourself if you wish. So this output program must be the same name as the program. You see, this is output program.java. And this is the class name. It must be exactly the same with capital and small, with everything. Then we will have, this is the main method, which is the most important method, and everything in the program start from here. From, you see this brace, curve brace. Between these curve brace is the body of the main. Everything of your program would occur here between these braces. So you can delete this one or keep it, doesn't matter. But this is to remind you where the code should be. So all the code should be in this place. Not here, this is wrong. Not here, this is wrong, except for a few cases we will mention later. But for every case now, it would be here. Okay. First command we are going to learn is the output. The output is very simple program where we can use it to output things, which is system, capital S, Y-S-T-E-M, system, dot out, dot print. There are two types, print and println. I'm going to show you what's the print, what's the println, and how we use them, and what's the difference between them. Let me put a println. Then between the brackets here we have a string. The string usually between quotation marks. Everything you write between the quotation mark appear as it is. Okay, so let us put 1 and put semicolon. I'm going to repeat this several times and change this to 2, 3, and 4. Now let us run the program. It's preferable to go to build and you build your program, and then until you see here, you see a message saying it's building now, build out. It's saying process completed. If there is no error, if there is error, you will find a message here. Okay. Now the other alternative is just to click on run project, or from run here, or press F5. Okay, so let us run it. What's the output? 1, 2, 3, 4. One after the other. Okay. What happened now if I remove the len here? When I remove the len, it will print the 1 and the cursor wait here. Then the 2 comes adjacent to that. But because it's len, it will go after the 2 to the next line and so on. Let us see. So you can run it automatically. If there is no error, then it will compile automatically. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because there is no len here. So when 1 printed, it's waiting, the cursor waiting in the same line, and then when this comes in, the 2 will be printed here, and then because there is len, the len go to the next line to print 3 and to print 4 and so on. If I remove len from here, can you expect what happened? It will be 1 and 2 in a line and 3 and 4 in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So you can practice this yourself to see how it works. So this is the first part, which is very simple, just to show you the output. Thank you.